The unit that I'm going to be reviewing today is by Bobbi Boss, and her name is Perla. This is what Miss Perla is looking like on the stock card. Now, I have Miss Perla in the same color that you see on the stock card, and that is in TTS1B/BUG. This unit does come in a bunch of other different colors. This is a handmade deep part 5-inch deep synthetic unit. This is heat safe. It does not tell you how high you can go with the heat, so I would start off low and then work your way up to high, okay? Before we get started with today's unit, you already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so you never miss another video from me. And make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, which I hope that you do like it. Here is the unit, y'all. Straight on out the pack. I think I'm gonna like her because one of my faves, Shining Star, she just reviewed this unit. I was like, oh my God, I have that same unit. And it looked great on her, so I'm like super duper excited. This unit does have lace. It does have some baby hairs on this unit. Let me show you guys the parting space. This is a side unit. This is not something that you would put in the middle. Okay, this unit comes with one comb on the side. It has a comb in the back and adjustable straps. So I have cut the lace off of this unit, so let's go ahead and get started, y'all. It is a left part wig, so y'all know I'm happy. Yes, Bobbi Boss. I didn't think I would like this two-tone. I'm gonna be honest. Let me go ahead and spruce her up so we can go ahead and get into the good stuff, okay? Let me go ahead and rate her, and honestly, I'm going to give Miss Perla 3.5 Ks. I know. Let me tell you why I'm giving her 3.5 Ks. She's not, first and foremost, she's not big head friendly. I'm just gonna say she's a tad bit tight on my head, and I have her on the loosest straps that I can do, but not unbearable. You know, I could wear her all day. I don't think she would give me a headache. I'm just saying that she's not as loose as some other wigs for me. Another thing I don't like about this unit was I haven't had any kind of tangling or anything like that, but I did have some stray hairs right here in the front that I had to pull out. The parting space is not the best parting space. If you was to get this unit, you could put powder in it like I did, but you probably would be better plucking it. I did put it behind my ear because, let me show you. And some of you girls might like this, but without it not behind my ear, it's, I don't know, for me, okay? It's too it's too much going on. Now, I live for a swoosh, so I do like this swoosh part. I actually love this color burgundy. I really, really love this color burgundy. And the two-sided is not a, you know, it's not a big deal for me. Something about it, I don't know if it's too big or what. I'm getting, I'm quite sure everyone has seen the movie Little Shop of Horrors, right? So I'm getting like that old school, like I'm a backup singer type vibe, if that makes sense. So it's soft, but I'm just, I don't know. I feel like I have a helmet on my head. That's what it is. I feel like I have a helmet on my head. Like if I went outside, everybody would know this is a unit, in my opinion. And I don't like to feel like everyone can look at me and be like, oh, she got a unit on. You know what I'm saying? So Miss Perla is getting 3.5Ks for me. Okay. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back of Miss. You guys today on Miss Perla. You already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be ask, believe, and receive. Ask for what you want, believe that you already have it, and then sit back and wait to receive it. Until I see you all again, my KKs, make sure that you have a blessed week.